Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll look at why formulas matter for optimizing your deposit. Of course, if your site is unexplored, formulas won't help much. But if your mine is already up and running, identifying connections between key factors becomes important. We'll show you how formulas help determine processing costs and recovery factors, using some real-world examples. First, let's quickly look at how we built these formulas. It's pretty simple in Excel. You just plug in your data, plot a chart, and get a trend line. Ideally, the correlation coefficient of your trend line should be as close to 1 as possible, meaning the formula accurately captures the relationship. In our examples, this number is high, clearly linking processing costs and recovery factors to the quality of ferrum magnetite. We have a few different scenarios. The first is very basic, no formulas at all. That means every ore type gets processed at the same cost, no matter the quality. It's easy but not very realistic. So in the next scenarios, we introduce formulas. One links ore quality directly to processing costs. Another connects the magnetite content to the recovery factor. The final scenario combines both, letting ore quality influence processing costs and recovery simultaneously. After calculating these scenarios, we analyze the results. While the general trend remains similar, you'll see differences in costs and NPV. A key takeaway is how the impact of the cutoff grade shifts once we introduce formulas. Quality becomes a big factor for maximizing profits. While calculation time does increase, since each block in your model now uses formulas, the accuracy of the results improves significantly. When looking at actual numbers, even small changes in ore quantity cause noticeable differences in costs, final output, and income. Scenarios using two formulas produce more end product at lower enrichment costs compared to single formula cases. Income also increases, pushing your NPV higher. Ultimately, formulas help identify the most valuable material to mine and avoid less profitable ore. Lastly, you'll see differences in where mining takes place. With formulas, some areas of your pit expand to target richer ore, improving overall profitability. In short, using formulas can guide better mining decisions, improve profit margins, and highlight the best places to mine. Let's jump in and explore these examples together.